Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the story The Piece of String by Guy de Maupassant. It is set in a small Norman village during a market day. Maître Hotchkiss, an elderly peasant, notices a piece of string on the ground and picks it up. Embarrassed at being seen by his rival, M. Malandain, he pretends to search for something more valuable and hides the string in his pocket. This seemingly trivial act becomes the catalyst for a series of tragic events. Shortly after, a local man, M. Howlbrake, announces that he has lost a pocketbook containing 500 francs. Hotchkiss is accused of stealing it by Malandain, who claims to have seen him picking something up. Despite Hotchkiss' protests that he only picked up a piece of string, the villagers remain skeptical due to his reputation for being crafty and miserly. Hotchkiss is taken to the mayor's office for questioning. Though he shows the piece of string as proof of his innocence, his exaggerated protests and poor reputation lead the mayor and villagers to dismiss his claims. Gossip spreads quickly, and Hotchkiss becomes the subject of ridicule. The pocketbook is eventually found and returned by another man, Marius Pommel. However, instead of exonerating Hotchkiss, the villagers accuse him of collusion with Pommel to cover up his guilt. The stigma persists, and Hotchkiss becomes increasingly obsessed with clearing his name. His repeated attempts to convince others of his innocence only deepen their mockery. The relentless suspicion and ostracization take a toll on his mental health, and he dies in despair, obsessively muttering about a little bit of string, symbolizing his tragic downfall and society's cruelty. The story explores several profound themes, including the fragility of reputation and the power of social judgment and hypocrisy. Maupassant critiques the pettiness and hypocrisy of rural society, highlighting how easily a person's reputation can be tarnished by suspicion and gossip. Hotchkiss' past reputation as a miser amplifies the villagers' readiness to believe in his guilt. Additionally, the narrative underscores humanity's capacity for cruelty and its unwillingness to accept truth when it conflicts with preconceived notions. The destructive power of slander is also a central theme, as rumors escalate trivial incidents into life-altering events. The piece of string itself serves as a powerful symbol in the story. It represents the triviality that can lead to significant consequences when misunderstood or misrepresented. It also symbolizes Hotchkiss' downfall, a small act leading to catastrophic results. His obsessive repetition of a little bit of string underscores the futility of trying to clear one's name in a society driven by prejudice and rumor. Maupassant employs a third-person omniscient narrator to delve into Hotchkiss' thoughts and emotions while maintaining an objective tone. This approach enhances the reader's empathy for Hotchkiss while exposing societal flaws. Rich imagery vividly portrays the rural setting, emphasizing both its charm and its insular nature. In conclusion, The Piece of String is a powerful commentary on human nature, societal judgment, and the fragility of dignity in the face of slander. Maupassant masterfully uses a simple incident to reveal profound truths about reputation, integrity, and the devastating effects of public perception. The story remains relevant as a timeless exploration of these universal themes. Through Hotchkiss' tragic fate, Maupassant critiques societal norms and highlights the importance of empathy and understanding in human relationships. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.